Look at this peach cobbler cheesecake. Y'all, I am a cheesecake snob, so I always have to bake mine from scratch, and it can't be a no bake recipe because I'm not a really big fan of those. So I came across this recipe on Butternut Bakery's blog, and first I have these peaches that I roasted up. Then I made the graham cracker crust come up the sides, and I'm pushing it with a measuring cup to help it stick. After baking that, I made the cheesecake batter, layered half of it into the crust, layered some of those roasted peaches and sprinkled it with some of this crumble. Then I put the rest of the batter on top and I spread it to make a nice even layer. Creating a water bath here so that my cheesecake doesn't crack. It's going to cook for about an hour, cool off for an hour, and then refrigerate for about 6 hours, preferably overnight. I'm removing the parchment lining, which I did so that the cheesecake wouldn't stick to my springform pan, and I'm just decorating the top with the rest of those roasted peaches, sprinkling on some crumble, and cutting into the cake. This was absolutely divine. This was after 6 hours of chilling in the refrigerator because I'm impatient, but I did let it cool again overnight and it was firmer.